What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you a simple method on how to draw Knuckles from Sonic the Hedgehog. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page of the front edge of the hair. We're going to start right in the middle with a point. From here we're just going to bend this around, come down and over towards the left, towards the bottom. Now let's taper this back up so it gets wider. Let's come around the outside and then up. Now with this in place, we're going to tuck the cheek in behind. So from the top, we're going to step down, bend this across, and then down. Now I want to layer the muzzle in behind. So we're going to step up, bend this across, and then down towards the nose. Let's go back up to the top. We're going to draw the eyelid. We're going to go across, and then tuck that down in behind. Now from the top of the eye, we're going to add the edge coming down and then in on top of the cheek. Let's add the pupil. We're going to draw an oval in behind the cheek, starting down here. We're going to go up towards the top, round this out, and then come down. Let's move up to the top, draw a small oval for a highlight, and we'll fill the bottom of the pupil in black. Let's go all the way back over towards the left side and draw on the chin. We're going to come down towards the bottom, round this out, and then pull that up. Now let's separate the nose. Starting from the top, I'm going to curve this around, across the bottom, and then up. Along the top, we'll draw a small oval for a highlight, and then fill the outside of the nose in black. Now I'm going to shift the mouth up towards the cheek. So up here, I'm going to add a bracket. We're going to go across, and then down, and then in the center, curve the mouth coming down, and then over towards the left. From the bottom of the eye, let's step over. We're going to add a fold, going across and then up. Step out, draw the left eye going up. I just want to bend that out towards the top. Let's tuck the eye in underneath. So we're going to step down, curve this around and then in. And we'll see the edge of the pupil along the inside. Add a curve along the top of the highlight. And fill the bottom of the eye in black. Let's fold the brow in behind. So we're going to start from the bottom, going up, come around, and then in. Let's move over towards the right. We're going to enhance the brow, adding a fold going up, and then out towards the right. Now let's move back over towards the right side. We're going to add 3 more spikes. Let's start halfway along this line, curve this down, and then in. And again, just taper that out, and then up. Let's add another one. Stepping over, moving down, and then in, go all the way around, and then pull that up. Let's add one smaller one, stepping up here, coming down. Let's go up along the outside of the head, and pull that in to right about there. Now we're going to go back over on top of the left brow. Let's curve the head. We're going to go up, and in. Now I'm just going to flatten this off along the top, going over towards the back of the head. Going to right about there. And we'll just close this off with a curve, running up the head and then coming down. Let's add a couple spikes on the back side of the head underneath the chin. And come down and out. Pull that back up. Let's add one smaller one. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Knuckles from Sonic the Hedgehog. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.